Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So, this video is going to be helpful for all of you who really want to improve their spoken English all by yourself. Yes, you heard right, all by yourself because we English learner always get struggle into finding people who talk to us. But I am the one who is improving my spoken English and in fact have learned English all through myself. So in this video, I'm going to talk about and also going to share my experience that how you can just by talking to yourself in different mode in different ways you can really improve your spoken English. So let's get started without wasting any time. As I told you that all by yourself means what? You have to speak English all time. Maybe it is not possible, but at least you can take out 15-minute initial days or maybe 5 minutes if you are very beginner. So the first and foremost thing that comes in our mind that on what topic we should speak. So I will suggest you whatever is going on in your surrounding, in your day-to-day life, in our country, in our society, in our family, in our friend circle, we can pick any of the current issue or topic and start speaking over it just by watching ourselves into the mirror, or you can also record yourself with the help of mobile phone, because this gadget should be also helpful to improve your communication skill. Yes or not? So to utilize your gadget, electronic gadget or mobile phone, I will strongly suggest you that from today onwards start recording your video. Watch yourself where you are getting stuck. Watch yourself where you are getting fumble. Watch yourself that how many times you stop and think before speaking even a single word. In this way, you will be able to analyze yourself that are you good enough in grammar or you need to work upon it little more, or maybe you are not good in some other thing. For example, you know the vocabulary but you are not able to recall them on the spot, and this is the big problem of most of the people. But if you know, these are very common thing as well. In fact, the good speaker who are well versed in spoken often get stuck and struggle finding the right word. So this is not a very big deal. But what is if we are stucking on and off? So here we need to work upon it. So I want to tell you that with the help of mirror practice and mobile phone, you can really improve your spoken language. And the topic which I have already suggested you that there is multiple ways. Only you need to take a mile ahead wherever you are standing right now. So today's practice, I will be talking about the Navratra, which has accomplished today itself, means for the last 8 to 9 days. Navratra, the auspicious day of Hindu religion, was going on. Everyone was celebrating it with all their, good mood, their heart, and their soul, I would say. So, if you are one who also have, celebrated it, or maybe your friend circle or any friends, family member, if they have did it, I mean done it, then you must have got little bit idea, or maybe nowadays on the YouTube channel you would have watched multiple videos related to Navratra. So let's talk over it, okay, and then we can practice in this way for a long time, at least 1 minute at a stretch, 2 minute at a stretch, or it can go maximum as you wish. Okay, so I would say that in my house we generally do worship, that's it, on daily basis. I mean, there is nothing like organizing all those 9 young kids, and at the end of the this Ashtami or Navami, generally people call them, invite them, I would say. See, these are the right selection of the word. Calling is something different, inviting is something different. So let's get started into the practice. Okay, from the very first day, like Navratras day, first, second, third, fourth, seven, up till 8 or 9, everyone who celebrate this auspicious a festival, they have to be on fast, okay, throughout the day. Or some people also enjoy having fruit, some of them also eat food item as well. So it differ from people to people capacity, how do they keep their fast, okay. So many people do not in fact eat anything for the rest of the 9 days. But the one thing is very common, there are different rule little bit. Some observer, one who keep fast, they organize small puja at their home on the day of Shaptami or maybe Astami or maybe Navami. So when they are organizing such puja uh, on the day of Satmi, so this day they usually invite seven young kid which is under 10 or 12-year old age, okay, especially the girl child, because they are the symbolic of goddess Durga Ma. And this way they try to offer all their prayers, okay, because these are very little I would say peculiar, strange, as well as very unique way of worshipping our god and goddess, okay. And same way, when someone is doing this puja and completing this puja on Astami, so they increase one child extra, means 8 kids. If they are organizing for 9, so they have to celebrate this puja on the day of Navami. And this is the last day when the whole Navratras, fasting, and everything is accomplished. And on the day of 9th, means the Navratra day, Ram Navami is also celebrated. Okay, so see how people are offering their prayers, doing worship of God and Goddess, and also celebrating the birthday of Sri Ramji, and like that. So see, you can choose this kind of topic, and this way you will easily find easy to go topic, and also you can start speaking over it, so that after some time you will see that you are in a habit of speaking English. Even though topic is not decided, still you will manage to speak little bit over any random topic. And this is what we need to develop in ourselves, and this will come only through practice. So that is why I'm telling again and again that without overthinking, start your practice from today onwards. This was the only small idea or experience that I wanted to share with you. Maybe when we choose some particular topic, we don't have much knowledge about that, so we end up speaking little bit, or let's say 1 minute or 2 minutes, but at least you, this way you will enhance your thinking ability as well, that how to you know frame the sentences, how to use it in your conversation, and all this stuff. So these are very important, and it will come only by practice. So start doing practice from today onwards. And on this note, I close this video and wish you all happy Navratra, and keep doing hard work without skipping your daily practice. Even if you don't have much time on some days, which is a very, I would say, strange excuse to all the human being we have all the time. So what you can do is, before going to bed, make sure that you have to speak at least one line or 1 minute speaking English, and this way you can ensure that today's practice have been marked and checklisted. So that's all for tonight video. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye, and keep doing practice.